What if everything you believed about building a business was already outdated? Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson bootstrapped ClickFunnels from absolute zero to over $1 billion in sales. No investors, no outside capital, no massive team from day one. Now they've taken those exact systems, rebuilt them inside AI, and they're handing them to you free in just 5 days. This is the most important business event of 2026. I'm about to show you exactly why you cannot afford to miss it. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to say out loud. AI isn't just changing business, it's replacing people. Right now, someone in your industry is learning to do your job, your team's job, your entire department's job alone, using AI tools most people don't even know exist. The window to get ahead of this is closing fast. If you wait another 6 months, you won't be the one running the AI. You'll be the one replaced by it. The question is which side of that line you land on. That's exactly where the AI Secrets Challenge comes in. It's a live, free virtual event running April 27th through May 1st, 2026 at 11 a.m. Pacific Time. Just 90 minutes per day for 5 days. Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson are personally taking the systems that built a billion-dollar company and rebuilding them inside AI, then handing those systems directly to you. Attend from anywhere, no ticket fee, no catch. Just 5 days that compress a decade of hard-earned business learning into a single focused week. This is the shortcut most founders never get access to. The first transformation the AI Secrets Challenge unlocks is running your entire department alone. One person, zero staff, full output. Inside this session, you'll see live, not in theory, exactly how one person operates a complete department using an AI method most people in the room have never seen before. If you're an employee worried about becoming obsolete, this is your answer. You'll learn precisely how to make yourself indispensable by mastering the AI secret that makes one person worth an entire team. That skill alone is worth attending. The second outcome this challenge is built around is becoming the one-person team. Imagine producing the output of 5, 10, even 15 people at a fraction of the cost. Inside the AI Secrets Challenge, you'll learn the exact frameworks Brunson and Dickerson built at ClickFunnels, now fully reprogrammed for AI execution. Whether you're a founder or an executive, you'll walk away knowing how to collapse your payroll without collapsing your results. This is the competitive edge that separates the next decade of winners from everyone sitting on the sidelines. The third track inside the AI Secrets Challenge is built for people who want to build from scratch, without investors, without a big team, and without burning years figuring it out. This is the ClickFunnels origin story made fully actionable. Brunson and Dickerson went from zero to $1 billion bootstrapped. Now they're handing you the step-by-step AI-powered playbook to do the same, faster, leaner, and smarter than ever before. If you want to start a real company with real revenue and zero outside capital, this track was made for you. The fourth outcome, and the one that gets CEOs most fired up, is replacing overhead with AI to protect results and multiply profit margins. Inside this session, you'll see exactly how to identify which parts of your business can be handed to AI immediately. You'll learn how to cut team costs without cutting output, and how to grow your company using AI doing work that used to require an entire department. This isn't theory from a consultant. These are live systems from the founders who actually built a billion-dollar company without ever writing a check to investors. Here's what separates this from every other AI course or business challenge you've seen. This isn't theory from a consultant who read about success. Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson actually did it. They bootstrapped ClickFunnels from scratch, no investors, no safety net, and crossed $1 billion in sales with their own systems. At SuccessOnlineClub.com, we've reviewed dozens of business events and challenges over the years. This is the rare case where the people teaching it are the exact people who built it from the ground up. That credibility is why I'm recommending this one without hesitation. The AI Secrets Challenge is live, free, and running April 27th through May 1st, 2026. Just 90 minutes per day. Whether you're an employee, a founder, or a CEO, your spot is waiting right now. Seats are limited, and this event is already filling up fast, so do not wait. Go to successinlineclub.com/AI Secrets Challenge and grab your free seat before it's gone. That link is in the description below. Do in 5 days what took them a decade to learn. Day 1 starts April 27th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Pacific Time. Register now.